हेलो हेलो हेलो। सो आप सबने लाइफ में कभी ना कभी ये सुना होगा that सब मोह माया है, and yet a blue tick on WhatsApp can send us spiraling into existential despair. This episode is about a tiny digital feature that has sparked divorces, destroyed friendships, and made us all mildly deranged. Welcome to the Sharp Side, where wit will meet wounds, and we are going to recover together by overanalyzing almost everything. और सुनाओ, left on scene. Congratulations, you've officially unlocked level 99 of the digital heartbreak. मान लिया कि सब मोह माया है, लेकिन WhatsApp का blue tick, that's the real माया जाल. It's the smallest tragedy that can happen to any one of us, and it can hit us more than K-serial trauma. And believe me when I say, science backs this trauma. A study has found that social rejection activates the same brain area as physical pain. It is called the dorsal anterior cingulate cortex. So basically, जब कोई तुम्हारा I miss you पढ़े और बस सीन पर छोड़ दे, तो ब्रेन को लिटरली लगता है कि किसी ने चप्पल मार दिया. 84% of millennials and Gen Z have been ghosted, and most say it hurts more than an actual breakup. Well, because at least breakups come with a closure. The blue tick, it's just apocalypse by silence. Even more recently, a 2024 study found that left on red experiences trigger measurable spikes in cortisol levels. Basically, our stress hormone spikes up, especially among Gen Z users. तो बात बहुत सिंपल सी. WhatsApp in India is not just a messaging app. It is our emotional infrastructure. Come to think of it, तुम्हारी mom तुम्हारा last scene check करती है. Your ex checks whether you have changed the display picture or not. And your best friend is for sure judging you for not responding to that group chat, but responding to his story. This isn't social media. This is emotional surveillance, with WhatsApp blue ticks being the new handcuff. Now take a moment and think. What if being seen online had got nothing to do with being seen in real life? And more importantly, what if these very blue ticks on WhatsApp had no power to determine our worth? Because frankly, they never did. Chalo, jaldi se let me take you through a 3-step breakup ritual. Break up with the blue tick. Step 1. Mute plus archive. आप सबने सुना होगा, just like me, that out of sight is out of mind. बस यहाँ एक हल्का सा twist है. Out of sight, out of spiral. Because frankly, your peace is a lot more important than any passive aggression. Step number 2. Touch the grass, drink a lot of water, talk to your cat. AKA, spend time with nature as much as you can. Because frankly, he was not that deep, nor was your situationship. And finally, moving on to the last step, which is journaling plus therapy, because emotional hygiene is a lot more important than emoji responses. It's time to replace your double texts with deep mindful thoughts. Because come to think of it, he may not respond, but your therapist definitely will. Hi guys, so that was the first cut of the Sharp Side, where the idea is to slice through the noise without cushioning it. And believe me when I say that the blade only gets sharper from here. So with this episode, if you felt even like a teeny tiny bit of emotion, do hit like and subscribe and try to share it with your friends, family, even acquaintances would do at this point. This is me, Trishali Singh Chauhan, signing off on the Sharp Side at Just Another Sociapa. Stay tuned.